Mike is my class mate. He is from Canada. Is my 帐篷。
帐篷 is my.
Is my 帐篷。
帐篷 is my.
帐篷 is my class mate. He
class mate.
class mate.
Mate.
mate. He is my baby. Miss White is my English 桌球。She is very nice. 麻木子来看 my new 黑股。
老子一句没听懂，你读啥子？
粤语。
我没读那个。
Mike is my classmate. He is from Canada. Jampon is my classmate. He is my neighbor too. Miss White is my English teacher. She is very nice.
Mom,
I like my new school.